फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ निशान। स्वागत है आपका साईं ज्ञान सागर में। अब हम कर रहे हैं डीएसएसबी के जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट बाय विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एयर पोल्यूटेंट इज ड्यू टू मोर देन 200 टाइम्स ग्रेटर अफिनिटी देन ऑक्सीजन फॉर होमोग्लोबिन। द टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एयर पोल्यूटेंट ग्रेटर, तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। What is the informal name given to United Nations Conference on Environmental and Development? What is the informal name given to the United Nations Conference on Environmental and Development, Earth Summit? The second state in India which is adopted a Panchayati Raj system. The second state in India which adopted the Panchayati Raj system, Andhra Pradesh. During the resign of which viceroy the Royal Act was passed in India? During the resign of which viceroy the Royal Act passed in India? Lord Chelmsford. Lord Chelmsford. With which institute the IIT? With the which institute the IIT grant Wipro has partnered recently to undertake applied research in 5G and artificial intelligence? IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur. What is the annual MPLADS, Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme fund entitlement as per MP consultancy? What is the annual MPLADS, Member of Parliament and Local Development Scheme fund entitlement per MP consultancy? 5 crore. Who found the Lodi density? Balol Lodi. Total number of High Court in India 25. Total number of High Court in India 25. What is the name of world first greenhouse gas monitoring satellite launched by Japan? What is the name of world first greenhouse gas? What is the name of world first greenhouse gas monitoring satellite launched by Japan? Ibuki. With the reason do you assist the Pabhana movement which happened between 1870 to 1880, Bengal? How many type of bill be passed in the Parliament of India? How many type of bill passed in Parliament of in India? 4. Which movie has won the Oscar award for best visual effect at Oscar 2018? Which movie has won the Oscar award for best visual effect in Oscar 2018? Blade Runner 2449. Which article of Indian Constitution direct the state to strive for uniform civil code for the citizen? For Article 44. In the Maurya administration, what was the role of Karmantika? In the Mauryan administration, what was the role of Karmantika? Head of industry and factory. Head of industry and factory. Who among the following team club has been confined with the Sport Club of the Year award? Who was following team club has been confirmed with the Sports Club of the Year 2018 awarded by ICA International Sport Award? Wild Broad football team. Which cricketer has been recently appointed the first man non-British Parliament President of the Marylebone Cricket Club? Which cricketer has recently appointed as the first non-British President of the Marylebone Cricket Club? MCC Kumara Sankara. The team New York Yankees is associated with which of the sport? The team New York Yankees supported which of the baseball? Which amendment has act as an insert right to education in Indian Constitution? Which Amendment Act has insert right to education in Indian Constitution? 86 Amendment Act. With whom did Saket Maniani partner to win mixed double gold for India at the 2014 Asian Games? Sania Mirza. The soil-less culture plant is called hydroponic. The soil-less cultural plant is called hydroponic. Where is the Gandhi Sagar Dam located? Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Gandhi Dam located in India? Madhya Pradesh. In which year Biodiversity International was established? Which function has International Board for Plant Genetic Resource? 1974. What is the name of the India's first gigascale supercomputer? Param 8000. With which Indian state do you associate the Moraiya dance? Chhattisgarh. Moraiya dance, Chhattisgarh. The brightest star visible for any part of the earth is Sirius. This is known as dog star. The brightest star visible for any part of the earth is Sirius is known as dog star. The highest mountain peak in the Western Ghat. The highest mountain peak in the Western Ghat is Annamudai. The festival Teppam is mainly celebrated in which of the following state? Tamil Nadu. Which organization of UNA aim is at build peace through the international cooperation in the education, science and culture? UNESCO. What is the main object of the Bharat Nirman Yojana initiated by the Government of India? What is the main object of the Bharat Nirman Yojana initiated by the Government of India? To provide infrastructure of rural area. To provide infrastructure of rural area. The first faster breeder test reactor at set up at Kallakulam, Tamil Nadu is jointly designed by BARC. And what is the main object of Bharat Nirman Yojana initiated by Government of India is to provide the infrastructure of rural area. To provide the infrastructure of rural area. The first breeder test reactor set up by the Kallakulam, Tamil Nadu was jointly designed by the BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center and Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Indira Gandhi Center of Atomic Research. The river Nelson originates from which of the following country? The river Nelson originates which of the following country? Canada. The ratio of the speed of aircraft to the speed of sound is called Mach number. The ratio of speed of aircraft to the speed of sound is called Mach number. In which year the Empirical Cricket Conference was set up? In 1909. In which year Empirical Cricket Conference was set up? In 1909. Turpentine oil extract from the wood. Turpentine oil is extract from wood which of the following state in the plant? Pine. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act was replaced in the following act replaced by following by which of the following act? Foreign Exchange Management Act. NABARD की फुल फॉर्म? NABARD नेशनल बैंक ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रूरल डेवलपमेंट.